Welcome. Today, we will learn about map secrets and decryption profiles in OCI network firewall. These features are crucial for handling secure SSL traffic. They allow the firewall to safely look inside encrypted data, ensuring your network stays protected while respecting privacy concerns. These are key part of SSL handling. Mapped secrets are stored securely in OCI Vault, linked with SSL keys used for inspection, essential for both forward and inbound SSL inspection. Here is how they work. For outbound traffic, the firewall uses these secrets to decrypt and encrypt traffic. For inbound traffic, they allow the firewall to act as a server, decrypting incoming connections. Creating a map secret involves choosing the SSL inspection type, selecting the appropriate OCI vault, and specifying the key or certificate to use. By using map secrets, the firewall can see inside the encrypted traffic without compromising security. Now, let's explore decryption profiles. These control how SSL encryption works in your firewall. Decryption profiles have three main components. Certificate validity checks helps ensure that SSL certificates are valid and issued by trusted authorities. Session configuration verifies that SSL session parameters meets organizational security policies. And finally, failure actions, which specify actions when certificates fail validation, such as blocking the connection or alerting administrators. When creating a decryption profile, start by setting certificate validity parameters, then configure your session settings, and finally choose appropriate failure actions. Administrators can fine-tune security using these settings, balancing strict security with necessary flexibility for their network needs. Keep these best practices in mind. Regularly rotate your SSL keys. Use the principle of least privilege when granting access to map secrets. Regularly review and update your decryption profiles. Monitor decryption failures to identify potential issues. Map secrets and decryption profiles are powerful tools in OCI network firewall. They allow you to safely inspect encrypted traffic, ensuring it follows your security rules. By using this feature effectively, you can maintain a high level of security while handling a sensitive encrypted data. Remember, the goal is to balance true inspection with respect for privacy and compliance requirements. Thank you for watching and happy secure networking.